Hello friends, in today's video, I will show you 5 rules you need to learn and understand to succeed in affiliate marketing or blogging. If you want to succeed in affiliate marketing or blogging, then you must follow these 5 rules. And if you are not following these 5 rules, there are chances that you may not get succeed. So if you want to get successful in your affiliate marketing or blogging journey, then you must follow these 5 proven rules that help me to create an amazing affiliate marketing business. Rule number 5 is very important. So if you want to learn about these rules and if you want to establish an affiliate marketing business, then you must follow these rules, specifically rule number 5. So rule number 1 is to follow a proven process. I found a profitable niche, right? I am into a super competitive blogging niche, but I know it's profitable and it's evergreen. And you might have heard the term that if there is a competition, then there is a money, right? So I found a profitable niche. It's a super competitive, but I know it's profitable and evergreen. I established myself as an authority in that niche, not entirely, though, as I still have a long way to go, but I have done so much. I did not give it up and I'm still following that process. I have published a ton of in-depth and useful content for my audience on my website for free. I invested in content marketing in the initial area. Whenever I made something from my blog, I used to reinvest that on content, SEO and other things on my website. I still do the same thing. Whenever I generate something from my website, something from my blog, I reinvest into my blog because it's a business. I did not trust. I knew it's a long journey, but I made sure to pick the right product that helped me to generate more sales every month, and I'm following this process, right? Number 2 is it takes time, be patient. The rule number 2 of affiliate marketing is it takes time, be patient. If you want to get succeed in affiliate marketing, be patient. Most beginner bloggers and affiliate marketers fail in the first month of affiliate marketing or first year of affiliate marketing because they give up very soon. They find a niche, create some blog post around that, do some random SEO, throw up some affiliate link, and they hope to get huge commissions. But that is not the way how things work. They don't give any time to build trust, find better products to promote, learn how it takes to sell. They don't even try to build links for their affiliate blogs. That is why so many beginner bloggers fails to make even $100 a month from affiliate marketing or blogging. Just like any other serious business, affiliate marketing takes time. If you want to succeed in the affiliate marketing, be patient because it takes time. Rule number 3 of affiliate marketing is go big or go home. Don't treat affiliate marketing as a hobby or a side hustle. If you really want to make something from the affiliate marketing, or if you want to make a living from the affiliate marketing, you should commit yourself fully to this business. You can consider affiliate marketing as a side hustle, but don't turn off sales if you are not spending enough time on your affiliate marketing or blogging business. What if you already have a job, still studying? We all have a 24 hours a day. Always remember, what you can do after 9 to 5 is decides your future. So everything is in your hand. Rule number 4 of affiliate marketing. Before I tell you the rule number 4, I'm requesting you, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video so far, give a thumbs up to this video. Rule number 4, if you are not consistent, you will fail. I'm definitely saying that. If you are not consistent on your blog or your affiliate website, then you will definitely fail. There is a term, consistency beats the talent. That is the term. So if you are not consistent on your blog or affiliate website, then there are chances that you get fail. I have been blogging for 8 to 10 years now. I have seen thousands of emerging bloggers every year. Most of them are not even blogging now. You know why? Because they were not consistent. They were all talented, but they were not consistent. This is the reason why they failed. They had some amazing skill when they started out their blogging journey, but they were not consistent. I still consider consistency is the key to success. I don't consider myself as a talented affiliate marketer or a talented blogger, but I'm a consistent person. I consistently publish posts on my website. I consistently update my post. I consistently invest on SEO and other things. I strongly believe consistency is the primarily reason for my affiliate marketing success. I'm not saying that I'm a much successful blogger or affiliate marketer, but yes, consistency is the reasons that helped me to generate some amount of revenue from my blog. Consistency always beats the talent. So if you also want to make money from affiliate marketing, be consistent to your affiliate website or your blog. Rule number 5 is build trust. Trust is the currency of online. If you want to get success in your online journey, in your affiliate marketing journey, blogging journey, digital marketing journey, then build trust. Trust always play a vital role in your affiliate marketing success or your blogging success. Observe any successful marketer and you will notice that they focus more on building their brand and trust online instead of selling products. Most of the time, as a beginner, you can be tempted to make some quick money from affiliate marketing by promoting irrelevant products that are not relevant to your niche. But that's what you should avoid if you want to make more money from affiliate marketing or you want to establish your affiliate marketing business for long run. That's why I keep on saying that focus on the long-term journey instead of looking for some quick money or for some shortcuts. Trust is not something that you can build throughout or overnight. But you can lose trust overnight if you are promoting big products just to earn high commission. So if you want to make money from affiliate marketing or you want to make money from blogging, then trust is the most important thing. So be careful. Don't promote some irrelevant product. Don't promote some big product that is not related to your audience. I hope this video was helpful and you learned from this something from this video. If video was helpful, give a thumbs up to this video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel